Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. And today is a very special video. It is the first video in a new series that's coming. A very exciting series about Django. Django and creating a site. We're creating a site with Django. So basically what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna make you install Django, whatever, all of that. But first of all, we need to install the virtual environment. So basically, a virtual environment is like this place, or like it's not a place, but it's something you configure, and then it lets you do a lot more things for your site. And so yeah. So first of all, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open my Finder so we can look at this, and then I'm gonna be here. Open my terminal, and that's that. So I have in my documents folder, I have Arduino folder, a code stuff folder, YouTube folder, and a work folder. So the first, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do ls, which is gonna show us what is in our directory. If you do ls on the terminal, may I have desktop, movies, everything, but we want to go in desktop. The documents. So if you go on documents, then if I click ls, then I have Arduino, code stuff, YouTube, and fritzing, and work. So here they are. So now I do my codes in work. So we're gonna go into work, and cd means current directory. So change the current directory. So now we're in here. So basically, we have a car project. We have car project here. We have RP portfolio. These are all tests. Tests for a Django site. I made those. This is one Django site. This is another Django site. We're gonna make a third one. So now what you want to do is make directory. So make a new folder. So make directory, and then now you put the name of the file, the folder you want to create. So we're gonna call it Django project. Here it is. It just popped up super fast. There's nothing inside, obviously. And then we'll want to go inside. So cd Django project. Whoops, typed it wrong. Django projects. And now we're in here. Okay, and now we need to do our virtual environment. We need to set up our virtual environment. So how do we do that? Is we go here and we type in Python 3 m venv, and then the name, what you want to call the folder. So I'm going to call it _env because I'm used to it. And here it is. The folder is. So you have _env, bin, a bunch of easy stuff, include, lib, Python 3.7, site packages. You have, where are they? You have your libraries here, or modules, whatever you want to call them. You can check everything, but so yeah. So now we have the folder. What you want to do is activate it. So how you activate it is source. So first of all, it's env. So we're gonna go in the folder env, and then we're gonna continue to bin, and then we're gonna continue to activate. So this one, this folder, basically it activates the virtual environment, basically. And there you go. If that works, you're gonna see the name of your virtual environment in front of the shell command. So you just activated your virtual environment. If you want to install any module, you get pip3, pip install, I don't know, you can install, I don't know, Pygame, whatever you want. Selecting Pygame, installing it for you. But we don't need Pygame, obviously, because already, what? Yo, the last time I used Pygame, I used pip was yesterday, and I updated it yesterday, and I already have a new update. I have to update it. Man, they do quick updates. So yeah, that's how you activate. So we just installed Pygame. So here, there's the folder Pygame. I don't know why I installed. I can just remove it now. Okay. So after that, next video we're gonna get everything started. So hopefully you enjoyed. Stay tuned for this new series about Django. We're gonna make a site, your own site. I'm gonna teach you how to make a site. And like, subscribe, and turn on notification. It really helps me out. And also, you're not gonna miss any uploads I have. And I'll see you guys next time.